everyone! Today I will show you how to multiply numbers by the power and multiples of 10. When multiplying a number by any power of 10, simply multiply the non-zero digit of the multiplicand and multiplier and affix the number of zeros to the product. Let's try an example. First step is to look at our factors. Our factors are 800 and 200. Our second step is to multiply the non-zero digits. Our non-zero digits here are 8 and 2. And when you multiply them, your product will be 16. Third step, count all of our zeros. Our zeros in 800 are 2 and our zeros in 2 is 2. Step 4, copy all of our zeros. In example number 1, the product is 160,000. Let's try another example. Our next example is 420 times 10. Our first step is to look at our factors. Our factors here are 420 and 10. Next step is to multiply the non-zero digit. The non-zero digit here is 1 and 42. And when you multiply them, our product is 42. Third step, count all of our zeros. In 420, we have 1 0. And in 10, we have 1 0. Step number 4. In step 4, we have to copy all of our zeros. Our answer is 4,200. And that's it. Hope you learned a lot from this lesson. Bye!